Welcome to the Applications Platform training videos from Codeless Platforms. Here are the objectives and approximate running time for this video. In the previous video, we created a payment object, added a Google search to catalog records, and created additional fields in customer and order objects. We will continue our training by updating the record name template of the order and order line objects, and also by adding fields to the order line object. Let's update the order record template so that new orders have an automatically generated order number. We'll begin by selecting the Orders tab, clicking the drop-down arrow, and selecting Object Definition. OK, now click the Edit button and scroll down to the Template Helper section. Find the Select Merge Token drop-down and select Order Number. In the Copy Merge Token input box, a template string will appear and be selected. OK, now copy the template string and click in the Record Name Template input field and paste the template string into the field. To complete the changes we have made, click Save. And then return to our Classic Guitars application. Now we will add additional fields to enhance the order line object. The order line object is not shown on the main navigation, so to find it, we will click the Application selector, choose App Settings, and select Objects in the top menu bar. OK, now click Order Line. In the menu bar, select Fields, then click the New Field button. Scroll down and in the Advanced Type section, set the field type as Auto Number and click Next. In the field label, type Line Number, and in View Header, type Line Hash. Scroll down, then type the display format as shown here, and set the starting number to 1. In the Advanced Field Properties, select Always require a value in this field in order to save a record, and ensure you deselect Do not allow duplicate values in this field. Now click Save. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Order Lines. Now click Save and New. OK, let's add a quantity field. Set the field type to integer and click Next. Type quantity as the field label, and for the view header, type QTY. Set the default value to 0, the minimum value to 0, and accept all other defaults. Then click Save. In the Add to Pages and Views section, select All Order Lines. And now click Save and New to create a price field. Set the field type to Currency and click Next. Type Price in the field label. Set the default value to 0 and click Save. In the Add to Pages and View section, select All Order Lines and click Save. OK, let's return to our Classic Guitars application. To automatically generate the order line number, we will use the same procedure we employed with the order record name. OK, click the Application selector, choose App Settings, and select Objects in the top menu bar, and select Order Line. Now click the Edit button, scroll down to the Template Helper section. In the Select Merge Token drop-down, select Line Number. Once selected, the template string will appear in the Copy Merge Token input box. Let's copy this token string. Click on the Record Name Template field and paste the string. Finally, click Save to complete this step. And that's it for this video. We've used token strings in the order and order line templates and added fields into the order line object. In the next video, we will add fields and update the record name template of the payment object. Thanks for watching.